Medical Watch is sponsored by UChicago Medicine, bringing expert primary and urgent care close to home with locations throughout Chicagoland. Schedule online at uchicagomedicine.org.
On the Medical Watch, hope in the fight against pancreatic cancer.
Medical reporter Dina Bair has more on the exciting research.
The answer is nuclear medicine and the power to find cancer and deliver therapy all at the same time. Theranostics, combining therapy and diagnostics, is a promising approach to cancer treatment.
But the key thing here is that piece of radioactivity.
While some people fear the idea of using radioactive isotopes as a therapy in the body, Julie Sutcliffe knows the power for good.
So you have a molecule, same molecule with a different piece of radioactivity on it. So one's for imaging, for diagnostics, one's for therapy, for treatment. So theranostics, combine the two words together.
After working as a researcher, a troubling scan of her own brought the UC Davis professor to her current life's mission.
I was diagnosed in 2005 with breast cancer.
Since she needed chemotherapy and radiation to kill her cancer, she knew the side effects.
My breast surgeon happened to be doing pancreas cancer research.
The idea of offering a treatment for pancreatic cancer, one of the most deadly forms of cancer, without those dreaded consequences, drew her in.
The thing about the theranostics is it's the drug, it's just a small amount of drug, but it's all the radioactivity. Patients don't feel sick or have all the usual horrible side effects that they do on normal chemotherapy.
The marriage between therapeutics and diagnostics begins with a PET scan using targeted molecular imaging agents, honing in on cancer receptors. In a 20-year mission, Dr. Sutcliffe and her team identified one radioactive drug to diagnose the cancer and another to deliver therapy to cancer cells.
You say, okay, I can see your tumor, but then you switch out that bit of radioactivity, it is now not only I see it, now I can treat it.
And with this compilation of images, she shows off success.
But these spots you're seeing here is our drug, our imaging agent, in those lesions in the liver.
At the Society of Nuclear Medicine and Molecular Imaging annual meeting in Chicago, a powerful picture of progress. Sutcliffe's work captured the therapy and the award for Image of the Year.
We are seeing now patients on that 30-day scan where the disease hasn't grown. So that's a big step forward for pancreas cancer.
The next step is larger trials. Theranostics is also now being used as a chemotherapy alternative for breast, prostate, and lung cancers. Back to you.